How to create an intro on CapCut. What is up everyone, welcome back to the tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily create an intro using CapCut. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your CapCut application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So all you're going to do here is now create a new project. So just tap on new project, and here is a short intro template that I have downloaded recently. So I'm just going to add this right here. So if you find something some similar templates, you can just use it for your intro base. Now all you're going to do here is go ahead and tap on text and then add a text here. So just tap on add text, and what you're going to do is just type in your intro. For example, I'm just going to type in subscribe and tap on done. Now you're just going to adjust its size, and once you make sure that you fit it inside the intro, make sure that you select the text all the way to the end of your intro. Make sure that the beginning is also there. And the most important step that you need to do here is select animation for your text. So just scroll to the right, and here you'll find an option for effects, and head over to animations now. So just scroll down until you find a proper animation right here. You can select something like this type 1, and here you can adjust the duration of your animation. So make sure that it matches with your intro, adjust it a bit, and once you're happy, just tap on done. Now if you play it, your intro will be right here. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.